to school. I'm so ready for today, guys. I got my ID. And I'm a cat girl. So ugly. Me, I'm so ugly too. That's okay. Let's go. I'm gonna bring my water bottle. My mom will bring my bag because it's already heavy. That's my outfit. So cute. I'm gonna show you my outfit. Sorry guys, that was a mistake. This is my outfit. Wait. There. My dress. My dress is a cute now. We're going to school. We're almost going to school. So we're gonna go now. I'm gonna go to school. Let's go, Mama.
Bukal lang ka.
Okay, let's go.
Nagintay-intay ng pagod na diribe. Hindi ka mag-itin ba?
My mom is still fitting my sandals.
Ang bebe.
Good my nails. They're so good nails.
Bilis na naman.
Wait, my hands are itchy. Ako yung bitawan.
Bilis. Sige na. Bilis. Well, thank you ha.
Uy, ala ka ba kasi nag-ako na apo, oh?
Be, bang missioner ba sila yan na?
Mama! They're almost here. This is my nanay. So bye guys. This is my mom. See you at the school. Bye bye.